Hello, everyone. In this video, I will share with you how to verify elevation accuracy. Before the elevation accuracy verification, we first need to prepare some data. The first data is that we must have measured ground control points or checkpoints, hereinafter referred to as control points. Then open and browse it. Why do you need to look at these control points in advance? We need to get an overview of how many control points there are in total and what information they contain. For example, this control point file contains a total of 15 records. But it's numbered from 2. The second data to be prepared is the point cloud data that we have already classified. We can also import this point cloud data into our PCA viewer software for browsing and checking. Only ground points are imported here. We can also browse the effect of this fully automatically processed point cloud data by generating an irregular triangulated network. Alright, the data are all ready. Then, we can verify the elevation accuracy. The tool we need to use is the elevation accuracy verification under the auxiliary tools. After clicking on this tool, we can see the corresponding elevation accuracy verification dialog box. Two data entries are required here. First, open the point cloud data to be verified. It is recommended that users only import ground points. Second, you need to specify the location of the control point file. When opening the control point file, we need to pay attention to these information. The first is what type of separator the control point text file is, which can be specified. Second, specify the number of rows to ignore. We have browsed the control point file before, and it actually starts from 0, which means that the one row record is also a control point. So, we need to set this value to 0. This will read 15-point files. Click OK. If the user is not interested in any control point, a select and delete operation can be performed. At the same time, if you have other control points, you can also add them by adding control point records. We see that there is already an extra record here, we just need to select and delete. Well, then we can perform the calculation function. After the calculation is completed, we can see the following information, such as the average elevation difference, minimum elevation difference, maximum elevation difference, average magnitude, standard deviation. There are also RMS errors, and so on. Finally, we can save the results. Let's open it and see what information is saved. In addition to the above 15 records, the saved information will also record the above 6 values. Thank you for watching. And see you next time. You can contact us by email at jonas_zinc@gmail.com or WeChat at +86 13888837 1238. Alternatively, you can obtain a trial license by filling out the relevant information on the website https://www.thjymap.com/pca. Thank you for watching and see you next time.